Hi, I'm Morgan and I'm here at the Ardmore Public Library, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make a little DIY scratch-off Valentine's Day card just in time for Valentine's Day. This is just a little cute idea I kind of was inspired by from some online searches and thought it'd be great to share with our patrons. So what you will need is some paper, whatever kind you have, or if you purchase any of your own, it's whatever you have on hand or you like to use. I'm just using some printer paper that's colored. You'll need, I have found that matte tape works better than a glossy type tape. It just kind of sticks better, the nail polish does to it, or it comes off better. And you'll need nail polish. I have found that something that is like a metallic shimmer type of nail polish works better, like these two here. One's a Sally Hansen and one's a Essie nail polish. Doesn't matter what brand, really. These are just what I had at home to use. I'm trying to think what else I might have over here. I think one's a China glaze. This one is okay, possibly. But if it's like a chunky glitter, that I have found didn't work very well, and cremes didn't work very well. And I think I have a sample of that where I tested out some things. This was a creme I tried. See, it just didn't come off very well. And this was a chunkier glitter I had, and it didn't work very well. So let's get started. So I've just made, you can just write whatever you want to on it, or you could print it off on your computer. I'm just gonna write because that's easier to show y'all. So you can just start off with like, Happy Valentine's Day, whatever you wanna write, I love you, whatever you're feeling like that day. And if this is a really cute idea, I think for kids too. Like you could do like a little coupon type thing, like, hey, one free cookie, or extra 10 minutes of screen time, something like that. Anything, you can really do anything you want to with this idea. And you don't have to just use it for Valentine's Day. So I wrote Happy Valentine's Day, and then I'm going to write what my little scratch off section is gonna be, which, let's just say it's XOXO, hugs and kisses. So I wrote it there. You can see that. Hopefully you can. And I don't have to refilm this. And then I'm gonna get my tape. And if you wanna get fancier with this, you can cut your tape in special shapes. So it's like a heart or a circle, but for ease of use, we're just gonna go with what we have. And I'm just gonna put it over that writing like that. And then I'm going to paint it, and I'm going to use this really good metallic shimmery one that I have. This is a sample one I'm going to show y'all. Scratched off in a minute. And you're just going to do, I have found that 2 layers is best to make sure that it covers it up, although this nail polish kind of, if it's the shimmery kind, it kind of distorts what the words look like, so you can't see quite through it because of the glare. I don't know if y'all will be able to see what I'm talking about. I might have to do an insert here, but yeah. So you just do 1 layer, because if looking straight on at it, I can't read what it says, but when I tilt it out of the light, I can read it. So I would do a 2nd layer, but you're gonna want that to dry. And for time purposes, we're gonna speed ahead and do a 2nd layer, because actually the best thing to do is to let it dry overnight to ensure that that is nice and dry, and it's gonna scratch off easier. And I have to adjust it in the light to make sure you can't read it. With that 2nd layer, I'm gonna have to add a little bit there, which painting this soon causes it to distort a little, in case y'all didn't know. But let me show y'all. That's what it looks like. You can kind of see when the light hits it, you can't see it. But when I tilt it out of the glare, you can see that X a little bit. So that's why I suggest using a glitter one, is it does help hide it better. But we'll let that dry overnight before you scratch it. And then magically, I have another one ready to scratch. So you can use a quarter, or this actually might come off with nails, but the fun of it is a quarter, let's be real. So I'm going to show y'all how that scratches off. And it scratches off really easy. Hopefully y'all can, ooh, I'm making a mess. You do need a harder surface, we'll say. But see, it comes right off like that. And that was with this nail polish. Now with this other shimmery ones, I'll show you how they do. So you can kind of see, and I will say that if you write in a color, if say you write in purple, if you have like a purpley nail polish, that's gonna help hide it too, so you don't have to do as thick of a layer of nail polish. That's something to consider. So then there's this black silvery one that we tried, and yeah, see, it just comes off. Ooh, that came off really good. See, it says Happy Valentine's Day, love you. Let's see. I may need to move y'all to see these other ones, and I may have to redo this. But anyway, so we, this is a purple one I tried. This was a China glaze nail polish. It was from a Grinch collection I got a couple of years ago. But it has that shimmer in it too. Let me see, can y'all see that? Let me bring you actually to the camera. Okay, so yeah, so you can't read through it. Let me scratch this in front of the camera so y'all can actually see. Maybe. Yeah, see, it's harder to do this on my hand than on a hard surface, but it does come off. It does work, is what I'm trying to say. You're the best. That one didn't scratch as well because it's not on a hard surface, obviously. But that is my little Valentine's Day craft for y'all. Let us know if you try it. I hope y'all enjoyed this really quick video. It's very simple to do, and kind of save your time and money and just have a little fun with Valentine's Day. Y'all have a great day. Let us know if there's any other craft ideas you want us to share, and have a happy Valentine's Day from the Ardmore Public Library. Bye.